Okay, today guys, my husband and I are making a 4th of July mukbang. Now, I'm just going to give you a sneak peek at some of what we are making. My husband decided to use the real smoker instead of the grill this time. Since it's our first time really using the smoker, my husband boiled the ribs first and to get them a little tender. As we continue to use the smoker, he'll definitely get better at it. But look at the smoke coming out of there, guys. Look at that. Let's get a close-up of what's going on inside. Oh, look at that, guys. We are gonna have barbecued smoked chicken chest and some smoked barbecue ribs. Spare ribs. And we are using the mesquite as flavor. We've been using the mesquite for several days now, practicing, and the food tastes so deliciousness. Let's get another look, guys. There we go. Sorry about the spots and stuff on the glass, but anyway, you can still see what's going on in there. And as you can tell by the color of the chicken chest, it's cooking rather nicely. Okay, guys, we will be back to show you the whole mukbang. Okay, guys, here is our 4th of July mukbang. Look at everything, guys. We got macaroni and cheese, biscuits, potato salad, coleslaw, smoked barbecue chicken and ribs, and greens. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is what we are having for the 4th of July. Our 4th of July mukbang dinner. And look at all that gooey cheese on top of the macaroni. My husband and I got together and we made it. And everything turned out perfectly. Okay, hold on, guys. I got a nice ending for you. Now tell me that's not enough to fill a hungry belly. Happy 4th of July. And from my family to yours, happy eating. Okay, guys, I'm trying to catch some fireworks. Oh, there they are. Oh, look at that, guys. The whole neighborhood is just firing up. Oh, look at these over here. Oh, you can't really see them. Oh, there they are. Where, honey? They used to be really high where you could see them, and now you can hardly see them through the trees. Oh, there. I'm sorry, guys. Last year, the fireworks were were higher in the sky where you could really see them, but you can hear them. Okay, guys, enjoy and be safe.